Hello, my name's Dr Janice Brown, a dental surgeon injector here in my clinic in Hillsborough. Today I'm going to talk about anti-wrinkle treatment. Anti-wrinkle treatment is a safe and effective way to target fine lines and wrinkles and prevent them from getting worse over time. Anti-wrinkle treatments can target fine lines and wrinkles, particularly between the eyebrows, the forehead and the crow's feet area. They can also be used on the lower face to treat the chin, downturned corner of the mouth, and even the neck bands. Anti-wrinkle treatment can then also be used for other things such as tooth grinding, pain that can come with tooth grinding, migraines, and sweating. Anti-wrinkle treatments target the underlying muscle below the skin to prevent the line from forming. This switches off the muscle for a period of time, usually around about 3 to 4 months. It is important that muscles are not over-treated to prevent a mask-like appearance. Really, the ideal goal is to look refreshed and relaxed. Results can typically be seen within maybe 2 to 4 days of having your treatment and will usually take around 2 weeks for the full effect. Treatment always needs to be maintained by having a top-up treatment at around 4 to 6 months. The treatment procedure itself is very quick, discreet, and close to painless. There is minimal downtime, and sometimes people even pop in on their lunch hour and return to work afterwards. As a dental surgeon injector, your safety and a fresh looking result is my top priority. I'm familiar with the intricate facial musculature and will target it to achieve a balanced and refreshed look.